What's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make beef stew. Yeah, we going in with the beef stew. I mean, it's gonna fill you up. It's gonna get you right. Hey, you with the itis. Don't wanna do nothing. But yeah, let's get into it. Here we go. Got my beef stew in the pan. Finna get that going. Now we'll have all the ingredients down in the description. Make sure y'all check that out. I'm sorry I've been missing action for a minute. I'm back into it. Going in with the 14 seasons. One of my favorite seasons here. You know what I mean? 14 spices. All in one. Yeah, we know we're going in with the Saison. If y'all been following me, you know I love that Saison. I just use it for the color though. I love that color. That color be looking good. Going in with some slap your mama, put a little heat on it, a little spice. Going in with some more Saison. Onion powder. That's the last little bit of that. Going in with some brownie. 2 tablespoons. Going in with the beef bouillon. Crush that up. Hopefully I said that right. Okay, get a little stir, mix it up a little bit. Get all them flavors, you know, together. You know what I mean? Yes. But yeah, this is one of my favorite meals here, you know what I mean? It's comfort food, fill you up. Okay, now we browning. Been cooking for about 30 minutes already. There we go. Starting to look good. Yeah, this is an easy meal to make. Very simple. Now I'm finna transfer, put in my big pot. Get that right. Going in with my veggies. Got me some tomato, some green peppers, some onion. Going in with the beef stock. Going in with some Maggies. 3 tablespoons. Now we're going in with the beef onion soup mix. It's the star of the dish. No, I can't say that. It's one of them though. It's one of the stars. Yeah, it's one of the stars of the dish. That beef onion mix. We need that. Now I let that go for about 30 minutes before I check on it. Okay, I'm back with it. Looking good. I'm about ready to add my carrots. Yeah, there we go. We got the carrots off in now. So then we go, you know, let this go for like 15 minutes before I add the rest of my ingredients. carrots, soft and mushy. So gotta make sure you check them. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let it go for 15 minutes. Okay. Here we go with it. Gotta taste one of the carrots, see if I like the texture. Now here's another starter dish, sweet potatoes. I'm using sweet potatoes instead of regular potatoes, Just gonna give it a sweet and salty taste. Oh man. One of the best, this is one of the best ways that I ate beef stew. Sweet and salty, sweet and savory. For real. But yeah, I'm finna let this go for like 10 minutes on high heat. We want the potatoes, soft and mushy. We want, We want a little texture to them. Yeah, this is it. It's about there. But it's just simple, plain and simple. I don't want to talk too much, but yeah, this is it. This is it. Everything come together. You got your sweet potatoes. Your sweetness. You got your carrots. Beef stew. Yes. This is it. On point. It's like one of the best beef stew meals that I made thus far. Adding the sweet potato was an extra kicker. Yeah, this is it. I paired it with some yellow rice. I got me some string beans, a couple of them Hawaiian rolls. And we finna get into it. We finna eat up. Looking good. But yeah, this is it. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching, And bless and love. Bless and love. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Y'all be blessed.